I don't wanna stand alone.
Staying alone,
Cause sometimes I feel just like I do.
like I do.
Like it's me against the world, even when I've got you. So I try to hide the big chip on my shoulder that only time will heal.
From the second we first met, I've been trying to give respect. I knew that you was something, baby, and better yet, I knew that you was thinking I was in it for the sakes. But living life without you would be living in a wreck. Damn, you brought me love and you brought me decks, yeah. I think it's fate that I take a breath and I feel it in my heart. Then I feel I start to sweat. I can feel it in my palms and I feel it in my chest. Ay, I never thought that it could be real. I think I want that. Let's make a deal, yeah. And I will sign it on a paper if you had it. I think I'm ready, go. Let's start a habit. I think you know it that I've been to hell and back. I started smoking, but we're hated by the pack. And so proud that we made it to today. And that you're perfect, girl. You never hear me say, hey, hey.
Cause sometimes I feel just like I do.
Like I do.
Like it's me against the world, even when I've got you.
So I try to hide a big chip on my shoulder that only time will heal. And those are harsh words that I never say. Was so nervous that you up and go away and take a car, maybe never coming back. I be alone, baby, and feeling sad. And start to shit I don't wanna think. And sit alone while I'm pouring up a drink. I take a sip and pour the rest at the sink. I see your face every second that I blink. I can't picture the image in my head. I'm so glad that we share the same bed. Ay, I can't imagine that I'm living life without you. Will never give up, I never doubt you. The trust I get from you is something that I never seen. And when I'm with you, I can be the kid I wanna be. All the texts that you sent I've read. And so proud that still I've never said, ay, ay.
Cause sometimes I feel just like I do.